episode of iCarly, we will be explaining cellular respiration. To start it off, we will be using this canvas and this lovely finger paint to represent the first step, glycolysis. Me and Carly will be drawing it out on this canvas, and Fredward will be explaining it in his stupid nerving.
Thanks, Sam. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm of both aerobic and anaerobic cells. The starting chemical is glucose. The number of ATP produced is 4. 2 ATP are needed to start the process, and the glucose moves into EGAL during the process. In each part of the split, 2 ATP are produced, totaling at 4 ATP. The other product produces pyruvic acid.
Oh wait, we're gonna need to like... Oh yeah, get that ATP.
Oh yeah, ATP in N A D plus goes in.
Yeah, arrows.
Come down. Yeah, arrows. Yeah, arrows. N A D H. Yeah, arrows. Yeah, arrows, dot, yeah, carbon, carbon, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Dripping.
Yeah, blood. Yeah, carbon, dot.
Ooh, getting in this white. Oh wait, that's not gonna do anything.
It makes dots. And A.
Just reform these little arrows.
D, where's the paint? D, P. Goes in.
Look at these circles.
It goes in. Yeah, let's go like this. It goes in.
You guys almost done.
And then A, T.
Then we got this
P.
pyruvic. Oovic.
Acid.
Acid.
Yeah,
Yay!
Yay!
At the Krebs cycle, we will have Spencer. Yes, Spencer! Gibby. And a random hobo. First, the pyruvic acid comes into the matrix, or the inner membrane of the mitochondria, and starts to break down into different things. Then, the cycle goes around twice, producing ATP, NADH, and FADH2 each time. By the time the Krebs cycle is done, 2 ATP, along with 8 NADH2, and 2 FADH2 are produced.
Random cellular respiration.
Yeah. La, 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 la.
This is my brother Spencer with his lovely new piece of artwork.
I call this the...
No, thank you, Spencer. Now we'll go on to the next part of cellular respiration, which is called electron transport chain.
To represent ETC, Carly will be eating cheesy popcorn and reading off of this cue card.
The electron transport chain takes place in the viscera of the mitochondria. This is the only place in the cell where oxygen can be combined with food molecules. This step starts with NADH, FADH, and O2. It ends with 34 produced ATP and H2O. This is breathed out.
Aerobic cellular respiration is when energy is made in all cells. A part of this process is when animals and humans take in oxygen to release CO2 by breathing.
Hold on.
I thought it was anaerobic.
Yeah, what's with this?
Fredward.
What is it?
There's actually two kinds of cellular respiration. There's anaerobic and aerobic. The anaerobic cellular respiration occurs in the cytoplasm when no oxygen is present for the cell to continue respiration after glycolysis. Alcoholic fermentation is one type, and it occurs in plants, fungi, and bacteria. NADH is used in the reaction. Lactate fermentation occurs in animal cells, and one NADH is used. The purpose of both fermentation processes is to free NADH for the use in glycolysis. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate, and it is the most common source of energy in cells. It is made of adenosine base, ribose sugar, and blue phosphate. The amount produced in cellular respiration is 32 to 38 ATP.
Thank you, Fredward, for that fascinating explanation on ATP and anaerobic cellular respiration. Thank you for watching this episode of iCarly.
Yeah,
See you next time. Woo! Yeah.
Now, my name's Sam. Anyways, start it over.
First, the pyruvic acid comes into the matrix, or the inner membrane of the mitochondria, and starts to break down into different things. No one likes you. Get out of here. Then the cycle goes... No, guys, stop. Give me some of that popcorn. What are we... Wait, I thought it was anaerobic.
Yeah. What's up with that? I thought there was... Thank you for watching.
Wait, I can't see the red light. Give me a makeover.
Oh, yep. No, it's...
Smells like some good pipe.
Oh yeah, can you go teeth? Okay. Yeah. Circles. Yeah, this is really weird. Like football paint. Okay, mighty fun. Okay, we're done now, guys. We're done.